Hello friends and greetings for the day. Welcome back to another episode of Testing in Nutshell. This is Neeraj Kumar Singh and we are talking about Jira Administrator tutorials. As a part of today's tutorial, we will be getting into the another section of Jira Administrator talking about applications management. In this section, there are a lot many options which you will be covering, but in this tutorial, we are just targeting about three things, talking about versions and licenses of the Jira software or any other products which you are using as a part of your server instance. The second thing we'll be talking about is the planning your upgrade, that how you can look forward to different versions and you can upgrade your Jira server instance. And the third is of course application access, because of course there might be many applications at any point of time which will be installed on your Jira server instance, but it depends on administrator that who will have access to what type of applications, no matter it is installed on the server. So you can determine, being an administrator, that who will have access to the different products which you have installed on your server instance. Being a user, being a group, anyone, you can customize it there. So let's have a look quickly at what exactly these options are and how you can manage them in the applications management. As a part of this tutorial, we are getting into the next segment of Jira Administrator called as Applications Management, where we will be understanding about versions and licenses of Jira, planning your upgrade of an Jira instance, and application access. To begin the understanding, all you need to do is navigate to the Applications section or segment of the Jira Administrator menu. You can all do that by clicking on the cogwheel at the right and just navigating to the very first option here called as Application, which will bring you back to this particular menu item, Applications, where we have a lot of options related to the application itself which you are using. The very first segment is versions and licenses, where you can find the details about all your licenses and the versions of the different components and products of Jira which you are using. So right now, if you see in my instance, I have a Jira software which is installed here, and there's also Jira Core which is installed, but I have not used any licenses for that. So until unless there is a license available, you will not have all the other details which are visible for a Jira software instance here. Now, of course, you can definitely have many other applications here, like Atlassian Confluence, Atlassian Crowd, or any other components or products which you are making use of from Atlassian will be listed here. And of course, you can find the details about that. So you can definitely manage all the information and keep a track on that what version are you using and what the license information is right now in order to access the information and renew your licenses from time to time. Now this is completely a Jira Administrator exclusive option. That means only an administrator will be worried about taking care of all these kind of information to renew the licenses on time or probably before time. The next option is Plan Your Upgrade. The Plan Your Upgrade option basically allows you to check if you have any latest updates or upgrades from Atlassian on the products which you are making use of. So right now, if you see, I'm using Jira Server 8.13.2. But right now we are on the latest version. That's the reason I'm not seeing any other option here, that is Upgrade to. So if I might have been using something older and Atlassian has already come back with another latest update on this, then I'll see a drop down to upgrade myself to that latest version. Now that's where it says that you are on the recommended version right now. Kick back and relax until it's time to upgrade. So yes, anytime Atlassian does any update, you don't have to subscribe to their newsletters, you don't have to worry about a notification, you just have to come to the administrator section, plan your upgrade, and check if there's anything new which you might be interested in. So that's about your plan your upgrade, which will allow you to upgrade yourself. The third option in the same segment is about application access. This application access allows people to access the products which you have installed on the Jira Administrator. Now, of course, we have two different products right now, but the second product is not accessible because I have no license for that. But if in case you are having Confluence, you are having server, software instance, or Jira Core or Service Desk Management, everything, then you can decide here that which users will have access to these products. For example, the administrators are having access to Jira Software and Jira Software users are having access to Jira Software. If I want any other group to have access to this, I just have to drop down and select the group and just add them here. Now it all depends on the number of licenses you have, which you can allow them to make use of it. For example, if you have only 15 concurrent licenses, then you cannot add the 16th person to this particular access. Similarly, there will be other products which will be listed here, like Jira Core, Confluence, Crowd, and any other thing which others can access, and you can determine that who all users will be having the access to these products. This allows you to manage very well that how the licenses will be distributed among the number of users. If you have a need for adding more, of course you can always contact Atlassian to get more number of licenses. Well, keeping it short and simple, we'll be getting back to you with other options here on the left side and definitely talking about them. So that's all from this particular tutorial, team. Should you have anything else, feel free to comment below. I'm always there to answer your queries and respond to them well. Till then, keep learning, keep exploring, keep understanding the context. Thanks for watching the video, team, and happy learning.